Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best ways to make money with crypto in 2025, you've come to the right place. Crypto is still one of the fastest growing opportunities for making active and passive income. But the real question is, how can you profit from it? In this video, I'll help you to earn passive income with zero investment. Let's get started. 1. Crypto trading. Buy low, sell high. Trading is one of the fastest ways to make money in crypto. There are two main types. Spot trading, best for beginners. Buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins at a low price. Sell them when the price goes up. Use exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Futures trading, high risk, high reward. Trade crypto with leverage, meaning you can earn more with less money. But you can also lose money fast, so be careful. Pro tip, use TradingView for chart analysis to predict the best buy-sell points. 2. Staking, earn crypto while you sleep. Staking is a safe and easy way to earn passive income from your crypto holdings. You simply lock your coins in a staking pool and earn rewards. Best coins for staking: Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, DAOT. You can stake these coins on Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken to earn up to 10-20% annual rewards. 3. Play to earn crypto games. Did you know you can make money while playing games? Crypto games reward players with tokens and NFTs that can be sold for real money. Top play to earn games in 2025. Axie Infinity, breed and battle creatures for tokens. Gods Unchained, earn crypto by playing digital card games. The Sandbox, create and sell virtual assets. If you love gaming, this is one of the easiest ways to earn money with crypto. 4. NFT flipping, buy-sell digital assets for profit. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, have made millionaires overnight. You can buy rare NFTs and sell them at higher prices. How to make money with NFTs. 1. Find trending NFT projects on OpenSea or Rarible. 2. Buy early before prices skyrocket. 3. Sell when the demand is high. Tip: follow NFT influencers and Twitter trends to stay ahead of the market. 5. Yield farming, high returns with crypto lending. Yield farming is one of the highest paying passive income methods in crypto. It involves lending your crypto on DeFi platforms in exchange for interest. Best DeFi platforms for yield farming: Aave, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. With yield farming, you can earn up to 100% plus APY, annual percentage yield. 6. Affiliate marketing, earn crypto without investing. Many crypto platforms pay you commissions for referring new users. Best crypto affiliate programs. Binance affiliate program, earn up to 40% commission. Coinbase referral program, get $10 in Bitcoin per referral. Ledger Trezor, promote hardware wallets for commission. If you have a YouTube channel, blog, or social media following, this is an easy way to earn passive income. 7. Airdrops, get free crypto. Airdrops are one of the easiest ways to earn free crypto. New projects give out free tokens to attract users. How to get airdrops? Sign up on crypto wallets that support airdrops. Follow projects on Twitter, Discord. Hold specific tokens to qualify. Check airdrops.io to find legit airdrop campaigns. 8. Crypto freelancing, get paid in Bitcoin. If you have skills in graphic design, video editing, or programming, you can get paid in crypto. Best crypto freelancing websites. Liquidity, crypto grind, freelance jobs paid in Bitcoin. Ladium, offers payments in multiple cryptocurrencies. Fiverr, Upwork, offer crypto as a payment method. Simply create a profile, offer your services, and start earning today. 9. Cloud mining, mine crypto without hardware. Mining crypto usually requires expensive equipment, but with cloud mining, you can rent mining power instead. Best cloud mining sites: Genesis Mining, Bitdeer, NiceHash. Just be careful and choose legit platforms to avoid scams. 10. Start a crypto YouTube channel or blog. If you love talking about crypto, creating content on YouTube or blogging can be a huge moneymaker. Ways to earn from a crypto channel blog. 1. Ad revenue. Earn from YouTube or blog ads. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote exchanges' wallets. 3. Sponsored content. Crypto projects will pay you for reviews. Crypto content has high CPM rates, meaning you earn more per 1,000 views than many other niches. Which method is right for you? If you're a beginner, start with staking or freelancing. If you have some experience, try trading, NFTs, or affiliate marketing. Remember, always research before investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay updated with crypto trends news. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite crypto earning method. See you in the next video.